Guys, just woke up right now. It's kind of 9:30. I have work as well. What is this guy doing? What are you doing, bro? Said. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm having my breakfast.
What are you having?
I just had rava masala.
You got watermelon juice or something?
Oh yeah.
Nice. So now to freshen up. I have a meeting to attend right now. 9:30 a.m.
And it's all in 9:30 bitch.
Do by throw peeps. I've got ready for work. And here, this guy, Vasikaran, Aditya, has to take a flight, so he's got to leave early. And so I'll send him off. Aditya's leaving now. Oops, our room's a little messy also. Yeah, we'll plan something out.
Yeah.
We should order breakfast also.
Hey, I'll be back.
Bye. Hey, bye, man. Okay, we'll do that. I told you about the Zoom thing, right? We'll do that. Yeah. Guys, we're checking out right now. We'll be leaving back to Coorg, maybe en route. Take the beach road. Thanks, man. Bye. We just left the place, dude. I still have work to do, okay? I'll still be working in the car. And we plan to take another route, instead of directly going on the main road. We'll take a route along the beach side, beside. So that'll be better. We just don't want to go this, be so much sober and all. So let's have some fun. Let's see some beaches as well. And I'll continue working in the car. Where's my laptop? You should be knowing, dude. He got it now, the luggage guy. Dude, you know what? I left my laptop and other stuff on the sofa itself, near the reception. So Sid is gonna get that right now. I forget a lot of things, man. Should work on it now. Okay, Paul. Bye, bro. Go say bye.
Bye. I'll be back next week.
This guy will be back. I'll come some other time. So what did they say? They were like, come after a month, so it'll be even more lit. So let's see how this goes. Nice place, dude. Guys, we are at this place, okay? We've taken a right instead of going the regular Manipal-Mangalore road. We've taken a right and come to this place, Red Rocks. And we just got to drive through the beach. Look at this.
See that blue water, bro, over there?
Wow, man.
No, the color of the water you see
Yeah,
out
it's
there.
like it's like completely blue.
Oh, bro.
Wait. There's no one here, dude.
Oh, man.
There's literally no one. It's just me and Sid here. Dude, what is that? That's a container ship. Whoa. Let me turn the camera around, wait. Check this out. Dude, it's so nice, no? It's so blue. See, it's all blue. Damn. I don't mind getting tanned here, man. You want to get into water?
I want to get into water, man.
Come on. We have to compromise on our shoes, dude. Look. But we can't get into the water. What to do? We've got to leave also. Shit. I'm literally, I still have work, dude. But I'm just standing here looking at the water. It's so different. Just simply stand. Don't do anything. Do nothing. Let it come in. Feel the vibes. Guys, we'll scoot from the place now. I'll anyway have to keep working in the car. So we'll just be driving, driving along the beach all the way around. Gotta get back home anyway. Can't stay here forever. We've stopped for Tender Coconut again, okay?
It's not again. It's the first time.
I'm still working. Look, I'm still working. We just stopped for Tender Coconut. Fuck. Damn. ಅಣ್ಣ 2 ಎಳ್ನೀರು ನನಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಗಂಜಿ ಬೇಕು
Temper me.
ಹಾಂ What's the other thing? What is that you get?
Totally.
Thotning, I don't know what that is. Have you had this? I don't know what this is. ಏನಣ್ಣ ಇದು? My phone's switched off, man, again. I've heard a lot of folk using phone as well. ಎಷ್ಟಣ್ಣ ಇದು?
ಇದು 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕ?
ಒಂದೇ.
ಕಮ್ಮಿಗಿಲ್ಲ?
3 ಬರ್ತದೆ.
3 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Let me try this first time. I'm trying something. ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ?
ಇದು ತಾಟ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
Thotning ಅಂತನಾ?
ತಾಟ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
Okay. Oh, like you get 3 portions. Okay. It's looking something like a lychee. ಲೀಚಿ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಇದನ್ನ?
ಇದು ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದು ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡೆದು ಬಿಸಾಡು.
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನೋದಾ?
ಇದು ತಿನ್ನೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೈ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿರ ಹಿಂಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ.
I'll come and get it. Guys, I'm trying this out. Okay? I don't know how this is gonna taste. This looks like lychee. Tastes like lychee itself. It does. Yeah, it's the same, I guess. I don't know. Tastes the same. Guys, let's just stop for lunch. It's already 4:30 or something, so it's pretty late lunch. And Sid wants to have veg, so he's gone to the other place, and I want to have seafood again. There's some place called Chili's here in Sulia. So I'll be having some seafood, and we'll have to get back soon. Otherwise it's gonna get late, man. Okay, see you. Bye. I've ordered for Anjal and curd rice again. So I actually like curd rice. So Anjal was also good. So I've not had Anjal in Bangalore or Manipal as well. I love Anjal here, man. After this, we're just gonna just go home back and it's over. Guys, I just finished food here, and we have to leave, man. It's already late. Sid also finished, and he's actually waiting for me. Hey, bro. Our parents are actually worried, you know, that we might come in late. We might go home late. So we'll have to scoot early. Guys, we finally in Coorg. We reached Madikeri. And you know, the weather's drastically changed, okay? Man. Lot cooler, and we have to get back home faster as well. Our parents are still waiting. They'll get late. What's the time now, bro?
6:10.
6:10. So another 1 hour.
Yeah.
Nice trip, man. What do you say?
Likewise.
So I guess I'll be ending the video here. What we'll do, man, we'll just keep doing some more videos. I think it's nice.
No, the last.
I think being natural, being yourself, going to places, and how you've seen with me, I think it's more genuine than, you know, I'm not going to add any music or any shit to this.
Except for the
It's-
background music.
No,
Sorry.
no. Yeah, apart from this, anyways. So, you guys should tell me how it was, and yeah, asking my opinion, I really had fun, man. Did we, bro? Behind the scenes. Huh?
Yeah, behind the scenes.
Alright, guys. We'll see you when we can film next. Bye bye.